How to transfer BONK from Binance to Bybit on PC. And first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of BONK token from our Bybit account. So how to do that? Make sure to log into your Bybit account and head over to Assets. Now click on Deposit. And as you can see here, click on Select Crypto. Now search for BONK like that. So after you find your token, now click on it. After that, select the on-chain as Solana. And now you can copy the withdrawal address of your BONK token. After that, go and open your Binance account. Now head over to Wallet and click on Spot. After that, as you can see, click on Withdraw. And now in the search coin, now search for BONK like that. As you can see, after you find your token, now click on it. Now click on address, and now you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account. Select this one as a network. Now you can type the amount that you want to transfer like that. And after you click on withdraw, in about a few seconds or a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token in your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer BONK from Binance to Bybit on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.